Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and we're going to be making a slim tin cart with these cute monkeys. So first I have my image already stamped on a scalloped rectangle, and I'm just coloring with alcohol markers our Stampin' Up! Stampin' Pens in gray granite with the monkeys, and going to do a little lighter color on their face. So this is a really cute stamp set with little animals. It's called Catch You Later, and it's in the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog, January to June 2022. Here I'm using Granny Apple Green to color the stems, and then I'm going around my entire image in light Pool Party, which is what I like to do to kind of ground that image and make it pop a little more. So this is the Slim Tint. It's a really skinny fold card, and I'm using designer paper to add on the outside and inside of the card base. Then I have another stitched rectangle that I'll embellish with this evening evergreen ribbon. And then I'm going to just glue my main image over the front. Now for the sentiment, I just decided to stamp on scrap basic white, Hey There, and fussy cut it out and glue the two pieces next to the monkeys there. I'm going to put that on the front, just gluing in the middle, and then I have my sentiment and another image stamped for the inside. For all the details, visit my blog at inkandinspirations.com. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that little bell so you'll get notification every time I put a new video up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.